Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install SoapUI on Windows 11. So open any web browser, type here SoapUI, download. Now here click on this official link, download REST and SOAP automated API testing tool. Now guys, here you will see official link soapui.org. So open it. To download and install latest version, select your system like Windows, macOS or Linux, and here select operating system like 32-bit or 64-bit. So I am using 64-bit. Then just click on download, and once this downloading process will complete, install this software, and once installation complete, restart your system. So this is the basic video to learn how to download and install SoapUI on your Windows 11 system. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel. And second part of this video, I will show you how to configure and how to use SoapUI in your Windows 11. So stay tuned and please subscribe this channel.